This is a tutorial for your personal media library. Your media library can be accessed by going to any website on your mobile and desktop sites and then going to options and then your media library. And it doesn't really matter which site you're on because you can always change the media and the site by clicking here and choosing which site you want to view. And your media library is basically all the images you have used and uploaded into your site and any images you've used from the public library. So you can access the individual sites or click any site you own at the very top to access all of your images. You can also upload your own image by clicking browse and uploading your own image, or by dragging and dropping directly here, and then you can organize all of your images so that when you're actually building a site, you can click on your own media library and see your own personal images ready to use.